Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this stand which you have seen in the preview. If you are interested to make this stand, keep watch this tutorial till the end. Hey guys, I'm Suman and you're watching me on Tech Talk with Suman Rawat. Now let's begin. So guys, to make this reel, first you have to check out my video description where I have given a reel link. Open that link and you have to directly reach in this video. Guys, you can see users template feature of Instagram. Just click on this feature and you will get interface like this. You can see guys many clips used by this user and you can replace your own video clips on these. So to replace your videos, click on the add media option and select the 31 video clips and photos from your phone library. Perhaps guys data is not working perfectly, but your video is ready. You can see your video preview on here and again you just click on the next from right hand corner. Now you will get this interface. Here you can use Insta features like filter, sticker, text and music, and again you have to click on the next. Now write down your caption here and share your video as a reel.